Do you use a wallet?
Yes, I use a wallet. It's such a handy way to keep all my important things in one spot. I have all my bank cards in my wallet, plus my ID and some cash. Of course, that makes me nervous for if my wallet ever gets stolen. But it's definitely a valuable accessory.
Have you lost your wallet?
Yes, I have lost my wallet before. It stressed me out so much. Thankfully, it wasn't lost for too long. I left it at the counter of a clothing store after buying something there. Then I left the store and drove home without it. Luckily, the cashier noticed, and I could pick it up the next day.
Did you give others a wallet as a gift?
I actually bought my mom a wallet for her birthday. It might seem like an impersonal gift, but she really loves accessories like that. I picked out a pretty emerald green wallet that really catches. She totally loved it and was so happy with her gift. So I think it was a great choice for her.
Do most of your friends use a wallet?
Yes, they do. Although some of them prefer to pay for everything using apps in their phone, they all have their wallet at all times in case they need their ID or extra cash in an emergency. Plus, most of them see a wallet as an everyday fashion accessory. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.